Welcome to my channel. How to set up Mywifiext Net Manage Wi-Fi extender easily. 1. Plug the extender in. Pick an outlet that's somewhere between your router and the dead zone you're trying to fix. Not too far from the router though, if it can't catch the signal, it's useless. 2. Wait for the lights. The power light should come on solid green. If it doesn't, press the power button. If still nothing, unplug, plug back in, or try another outlet. 3. Connect to the extender's Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, check Wi-Fi networks. You'll see something like Netgear_ext. Connect to that. No password yet, it's open. Open a browser, here's where it gets tricky. In the browser bar, type mywifiext.net. Don't Google it. Literally type it. If that doesn't load, try 192.168.1.250. That's the backup IP. 5. Create an account/login. It'll ask you to make a Netgear account, required. If you already have one, just log in. 6. Scan for your router. The extender will run a scan and show all the nearby Wi-Fi networks. Pick your router's main Wi-Fi name, SSID. 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type in your router's password, the same one your phone or laptop uses. Double check it, because one typo here and you'll be stuck wondering why nothing works. 8. Set the extender's name. It'll ask you what you want the extended Wi-Fi name to be. You can keep it like Mywifie_ext, or rename it. 9. Let it apply settings. It'll take a minute to sync everything. The lights will blink, maybe even go off for a bit. Don't panic. Just wait. When it's done, the extender Wi-Fi network will show up on your device list. 10. Reconnect and test. Now disconnect from Netgear_ext and connect to the new extended Wi-Fi you just set up. Try loading a couple websites. Walk around your house to the dead zone and check if the signal's better. If it is, congrats. If not, move the extender a little closer to the router and repeat. Thank you for watching.